Hey everyone, welcome back to the latest GoSkills Excel Challenge. Joining us today is GoSkills' own Maria Fernanda Castro with a challenge for you. Check it out right now.
Hey guys, ready to help us create a dynamic sales report using just formulas? We have a data set from a restaurant menu with items categorized as breakfast, beverages, burgers, sides, sandwiches, and soups. Now let's dive into the challenge. First up, we have a table that shows how many of these items were sold each day during a specific week in September. For task 1, your goal is to fill in the category and sales columns based on the quantity and price per unit provided. Moving on to task 2, you'll need to set up a drop-down list with the dates from the table. This will allow users to select a range easily, and when they do, the total sales per item should update automatically. Finally, for task 3, it's time to create a dynamic chart. Here's what we're looking for. The sales data should be displayed in descending order. The chart title should change as different categories and date ranges are selected. The chart should adjust its size, expanding or shrinking based on the selected category with no empty spaces. And don't forget to add an all option in your category list so that users can see the total sales of all items within a selected range. How would you tackle this challenge? Get creative, but remember, no pivot tables, just formulas to keep everything dynamic. If you need any help, reach out to us in our Slack channel. We'll share our solution next week. See you then.
Do you have what it takes to complete this challenge? To get started, click the link below to download all the files you need. Let us know how you're doing in the comments section. Or, even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your progress. Link in the description. If you'd like to know the solution to this challenge, hit that subscribe button and get notified when the next video drops with all the step-by-step instructions on how to solve it. Good luck, everybody!